Peace Hyde, what are you hiding? Hello everybody. Yes, an African man gets confused when he sees such consignment. Yes, my name is DKB. I'm glad to be here. Who is American here? Hey, what's up? How you doing? I saw you in Brooklyn. How is it? Yeah, the visa. Don't forget. Americans say that what? To conquer fear, you must be feared. That was after one Superman movie. And I'm so happy we don't say that same nonsense here. Because our MPs have had a good reason to chop our money. And if you catch him, you can look at you and say, look, to conquer corruption, you must be corruption. Guess what? People can even have a good reason to cheat. You catch your boyfriend chopping with someone, or your husband chopping. Once you catch him, look at you. Let me tell you. To fight adultery, you must be adultery. Listen up. Listen, when it comes to preaching, I know YVONNE Nelson and ABEBRESE would have had a good reason to say. What can I empty my microphone? Give me one. Give me one. We want to describe my career. Who is in charge of the mic? People are watching me. I'm an important person. Give me mic. Wait. Is that what's the name? Engineer. Give me volume. What do you mean? My career is at stake. These are very important people. They are rich. White people are here. Now this one looks like the world continent. This is America. That's East Asia. This place looks more like South Africa. That is obviously West Africa. No, you don't have to go there. Listen. Listen, because of Ebola. First, there's a pig rule. You can't chop pig. You can get a pig who look at you and give you eye. You can't chop it. Chicken food, you can't chop chicken. Now our own grass cutter, you can't even chop grass cutter. I'm just thinking, very soon, if you talk, you can even get virus. Imagine we have talking virus. How would Peace Hyde introduce me? Now, even when it comes to campaign, how would your mama say in a big campaign? If you have talking virus on the podium, how would the two fathers say all that to die talking virus? I know I'm a big fan of Ghanaian music. I love Ghanaian music. My only problem with Ghanaian music is that the English versions don't make sense. If you listen to Castro, say, what does he say? Help me. Right? Go to the English version. It doesn't make sense. What he says is, I'm walking, I'm hearing. Let me make sense. Take musicians like Dumelo, only second English version. Let it hold. Muhammad I am. We are fully psychiatric patients. The most annoying of our is Nana Polo. I know. Baby. What does it mean? This place is sweet. Oh, everywhere is dead. Who did it? It's cool. And I have a Nigerian friend. Nigerians, proud Nigerians in the house. We are proud of you people. Go back to your country. You meet a Nigerian, we tell you, I'm on Nigeria and my fatherland, Ghana and my motherland. Are you mad? I don't know your mother. Listen, you know Nigerians have a problem with their pronunciation. Doctor, they say doctor. Inspector. So when I hear the English, I say, when do you say doctor? When is doctor? Inspector. You know, please. Now inspector, I said, no, it's inspector. He said, okay, how you mention OR? I said, oh, he said, huh? I don't talk. Now, he said talk. So he got me. I looked at him, I was like, okay, what do you call the person who gives birth to you? He said, ah, like your mother. I said, huh? And what do you call killing somebody deliberately? He said, ah, no mother. I said, okay, so what do you call the person who was giving birth to and kill the person who gave birth to you? Oh, now your mother. So sweet, mother is mother. He said, mother.
Guess what's what? K1 freestyle all day, some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life is really good, maybe you don't know. Yeah, the super stay low. Me, I've got dough, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good. Winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose. Had to true life, yeah, I need a good pose. So I live a chase life, homie, no hoes. Cause to test and try, it would come separately. Tied up with the moment when I live and live lavishly. Mom is gone, she got me hustling so I eat. But I know one that's all gonna be victory. Matter with father man and I live it properly. My wet's not more, you know, it's Mr. Poverty. God when I see me one that's stronger in the Bentley. That is why I never take a west, chasing it. So what's wrong with you? Why you hating? He who was begun at times, that is why you waiting. Trying to get yours. Life is like a race, we head up the waist and don't know which.